Feeling weaker than you used to? Struggling to lift groceries, climb stairs, or just keep your energy up? If you're over 60, this could be your wake-up call. You might already eat lean meats and veggies, but there's one powerful, delicious food that most seniors overlook: cheese. Yes, cheese. And today, I'm going to show you 3 cheeses that can help rebuild muscle, strengthen your bones, and keep you independent, energized, and strong for years to come. Stick around, you'll want to try these right away. Cottage cheese, overnight muscle fuel. Cottage cheese in a bowl, spoon going in, blueberry sprinkled, cottage cheese. This humble cheese is one of the most powerful tools for fighting sarcopenia, that age-related muscle loss that steals your strength after 60. Here's why it's amazing. Cottage cheese contains casein, a slow-digesting protein. Unlike meat or eggs, which digest in 2 to 3 hours, casein feeds your muscles all night long, 6 to 8 hours of continuous repair. That's like giving your muscles an overnight recovery drip while you sleep. But it's not just protein. Cottage cheese is rich in calcium for bones, B vitamins for energy, selenium to fight inflammation, and tryptophan to help you sleep better. Fewer aches, deeper sleep, more energy without complicated prep? You can enjoy it cold, straight from the container, or mix it up. Blueberries, chia seeds, cinnamon, or for savory, tomatoes, cracked pepper, or avocado. Affordable, easy, and endlessly versatile. Think of it as functional medicine in a bowl. Try swapping your evening snack with a scoop of cottage cheese tonight. You'll thank yourself in the morning. Parmesan, the protein-packed powerhouse. Grated Parmesan over broccoli, eggs, or soup. Close-ups of cheese texture. Next, let's talk Parmesan. That hard, crumbly cheese you sprinkle on pasta? It's more than a flavor booster. Just 1 ounce gives you about 10 grams of high-quality protein. And unlike soft cheeses, Parmesan is low in lactose, so it's easy on digestion. Here's why seniors love it. It's carb-free, which helps stabilize blood sugar, and packed with calcium and phosphorus, a tag team for strong, flexible bones. After 60, bone health is just as important as muscle strength, and Parmesan helps both. The best part? Its bold flavor means you don't need much to get the benefits. Sprinkle it over steamed veggies, eggs, or soups, and you're turning ordinary meals into muscle and bone-supporting powerhouses. Remember, sarcopenia isn't just about strength, it's about mobility, independence, and confidence. Parmesan may seem small, but small choices like this add up over time, helping you stay energetic and free. Try adding Parmesan to one meal today. Even a little can make a big difference. Ricotta, fast-acting muscle support. Ricotta spread on toast mixed with berries folded into eggs. Finally, let's meet the creamy underdog, ricotta. Made from whey protein, the same stuff in muscle-building shakes, ricotta is fast-digesting. That means your muscles get a quick shot of amino acids exactly when they need it most, especially after activity like walking, gardening, or light resistance exercises. Ricotta is also gentle on the stomach, rich in calcium and vitamin A, and easy to chew and swallow, perfect for seniors with dental or digestive concerns. It's incredibly versatile. Spread it on whole grain toast, mix with berries, fold into eggs or oatmeal, or blend into a smoothie. A few spoonfuls deliver dense nutrition without leaving you overly full. That's a win for muscle health, energy, and daily comfort. Add ricotta to your next meal and feel how easily your body absorbs the nutrients. Montage of seniors walking, exercising, enjoying meals with cheese. So there you have it. 3 cheeses that aren't just tasty, they're scientifically powerful tools for fighting age-related muscle loss. Cottage cheese for overnight recovery. Parmesan for bone strength and daily protein. Ricotta for fast-acting muscle support. No powders, no pills, just real, delicious food that works with your body, not against it. If you're over 60, your muscle health matters more than ever. Start including these cheeses in your meals, protect your strength, and stay independent, mobile, and energized. Stay strong and thriving with BeFitest. Subscribe now for more science-backed tips to live healthier, stronger, and happier after 60.